trying to decide if this is gonna be the beginning of a new vlog or if this is gonna be a continuation of the vlog I'm already doing. If this is a new vlog, hey guys, welcome back to my my channel. As you can see, I'm getting ready to head out right now. Ollie, please, I am filming. Sir, you can't pass. You cannot pass. I'm getting ready to head out into an event at AC Hotel. It is basically, hello. It's basically a launch event for Earth Hour. And it's literally only for an hour, so I need to be there on time. Can't be late. Because if I'm late, the event is not going to wait on me. I thought I was recording all along, by the way. Like when I was doing my eyeliner and all of that, swear to God, I was recording. And then when I got up to stop the recording, I realized it didn't even start. Today's Anika's birthday as well, so we're probably going to do a little something afterwards. Just something intimate, probably get some drinks or something somewhere. And then come back home. Nothing crazy. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna wear tonight, and I need to figure it out fast because I literally only have like 5 minutes to figure it out because I need to do my hair and get out of here. So this is what I'm doing for my hair and makeup. I don't know if I like how my hair turned out. I feel like it, I mean, on camera it looks okay. As you guys know, I'm very obsessed with blush these days, so as soon as I feel like my brush isn't blushing enough, I go back in and add more. Fenty. Vlog now. Hi vloggy vlogs. Good morning, folks. It is the next day. It's Tuesday. Hi, Ollie Bean. My hair. This is what's left of my hair. I slept on it. Couldn't find like my satin scarf thing to put on my hair to make it last, but it looks okay. I pulled it out last night to kind of loosen it so it's not tight, but it actually looks like it's tight, doesn't it? But it's not. It's just all gel keeping it together. But anyways, I'm about to make some tea and I make breakfast. I'm probably just gonna make a sandwich, like an egg and bacon sandwich with bacon or something. Probably what I'm gonna do. Yeah, last night was fun. It turned out into such a cute little night. We retired pretty early though. We went to the event, the Earth Hour event, and then it happened at AC Hotel, which was and happened upstairs. And then after, we kind of just went downstairs to the bar and just had like cute little drinks and stuff and celebrated Anika. And then we just came home. That was the night. It's Tuesday. I have work to do. Yeah. I want y'all to see how vocal Ollie has gotten. Like, I opened the grill to let him outside and he's so excited. Say please. Like, he loves going outside. Actually about to clean his cat litter, which is the only reason why I let him out and the only reason I'm out here. Just gonna clean it out a little bit, allow him to roam outside for a little bit, and then we're going back inside. So Ollie just came inside and puked. Right now he's panting. Why you have to give me so much trouble? He keeps going outside and eating the lemongrass outside. What we call in Jamaica fever grass. And I'm pretty sure cats are allergic to lemongrass, if I'm not mistaken. I need to double check. But he keeps eating it when he goes outside. And then he keeps bringing it up back. And I'm just like, leave it alone. But he just puked. And I gave him some water to drink. He just puked up the lemongrass. So that's how I knew he ate it when he went outside just now. Now he's panting. But I'll just keep my eye on him, see if he's okay. Pets are like children, okay? If you're not ready to take care of a pet, you don't have the money to spend to take care of a pet, don't get one, okay? Don't stand up and tell them. So I'm at the photo studio right now, at Brian's photo studio. Hope you guys can hear me. But I'm taking some pictures for my passport. I have to renew my passport. So I'm hoping that, okay, I'm gonna talk outside. Right, so as I was saying, I am at Brian's photo studio right now. I have to take some pictures for my passport. So the passport office closes at like 3 o'clock or 3:30. I'm kind of hoping that I'm going to catch it. I should. It's like after 2 right now, or 2, 3. So the photo should be done soon, and then I'm gonna head to the passport office. And yeah, they close at 3:30. I don't know if they're gonna cut off early because, you know, like the crowd or anything. But I'm hoping that if I go later in the day, based on some insight that I got, if I go later in the day, it might not have like a lot of people, or it might move faster. So we'll see. tonight, y'all. I'm about to do my makeup right now. Heading out tonight. I'm going to like a Formula 1 viewing party. Well, I showed you guys this in a vlog a couple weeks ago, or maybe, I don't know, very few weeks ago. The one that I went to at Traxxon Records. So basically they're having like a night viewing tonight, because the race is happening at 12 p.m. Jamaica time, and they're showing it there. So I'm gonna go. Show you guys the finished look. Even though you guys basically saw it already, I literally just put lip gloss on and that's it. That's all I did. I look very glowy and I like that.
Again, 5 races in this race, 22 laps to go.
Love the bathroom screens, right? Never miss a beat. This is my outfit.